Bri,
Yeah,
do you like to have shower?
of course I do.
Yeah, how many times a week? Today's topic is cleaning the shower screen.
When did you clean here, boss?
I didn't clean. Somebody already cleaned but couldn't clean the shower screen.
Oh,
Yes.
for your employee from CISO?
Not say true. Not even shower.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh.
I thought this is your...
Oh, I thought you cleaned before and then we're doing it
No.
again.
Do you think I clean glass like that?
No.
That's why.
Okay. So shower screen obviously little bit of dirty and spotty, but looking at it, this stain can be permanent. Ah no, see here, so they haven't cleaned properly. Yeah. So today, have a look at this. Okay, where's the other shower? Oh, terrible. Go and have a look.
There, you can see it wasn't white. They really forgot about it. Or maybe.
Oh, no, really bad.
Maybe it was nighttime when they cleaned it.
Or maybe
Oh, here.
they
Very
probably
obvious, huh?
they probably cleaned blindfolded. Oh my god. Even though here,
Yeah.
see, it's very dirty. Okay. Okay, let's go and get the chemicals, yeah? Yeah. It's a nice house after all.
It is.
Yeah, and a nice place.
Family.
Yeah. And the stain on the carpet, have a look. Oh wow. What's up everyone, Jason here, the king of deep cleaning for the whole universe. Yet another end of list cleaning tip. Today we're talking about cleaning shower screens. The future is sharing, so sharing is caring. I'm gonna share another secret that I've been gatekeeping for a very long time. 15 years, I haven't let this secret out, maybe once for the whole time. And that was it. So today you're gonna know about a special chemical. When it comes to showers, it's really something really hard to clean. It's shiny aluminium frame, most of the showers, because if you do use a strong chemical, you will damage this aluminium frame and making it a damage claim, with your insurance, and you're gonna damage your reputation. So you need some sort of like a special chemical that will remove the soap scum without damaging the aluminium frame. You know what? I have this secret. Been gatekeeping for a long time, but for you, I'm gonna let it out because I want you cleaning service providers in whole world, make some money without damaging your reputation, without making insurance claim. Years old secret. You cannot go past this chemical when you clean shower screen. The glass in particular, it's a powder, white color powder. I don't know where it made. I don't know whether it's Australia or other country. I'll search and put a link down below. So it's a powder, as you can see. Yeah, it's a fine white color powder. I think it got some acidic solution. Make sure wear a glove, and together with the magic sponge, even though it make more magical. How you do it? You wet the magic sponge. Brian, can you take the bubble off a little bit? So you get generous amount of water. Yep, not too much, just a little bit squeeze. And what you do, put the, so you have a, do like this, just tiny bit, make like a pulp, and then you go open it. Most of the time all those soaps come, they are inside the screen, not outside. First take a look, just come close. If you can show from your camera those spots, cannot see properly. Cannot see. But how about bottom? How about bottom? This one.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you go like, so you put water and then the chemical powder. Just put the powder in like half a square meter, and then all you need to do is just agitating or leaving the powder couple of seconds, probably 5 seconds, then it will start activating, and then you go with same. This time
Rub it
in a circular motion, and it will work with magic sponge, also 000 steel wool. Make sure you use 000, that means the very fine steel wool, not the one you clean pot and pans, but today we use magic sponge. So rub it. You can take a look, see. Brian, can we have a little bit more powder? A little bit more, Brian. More. Don't worry. Correct. Yeah. And then keep rubbing. And make sure not to miss any spots, otherwise you will have a dirty spot. And go ahead and get the frame as well. And the good thing about this chemical, it does not damage the aluminium frame. While when you use other strong chemical, you will spot or damage the aluminium frame, but not this one. So go ahead and as you can see, the magic sponge crumble. Obviously you need to have heaps of magic sponge with you when you do shower screen. Okay. Bright, can we have a little bit more
powder.
More powder? More. Yeah, that's heaps. A little bit more water. Yeah. And then the other side. Do the same thing. Make circles. Work on every single inch of the glass without forgetting the frame. And obviously the track, I just want to show you on the video just a little area. You can do the same thing to the track. See, you can end of the day fully detail the frame as well. Yeah, the job won't completed until you clean the edges, ledges, the frame, everything, and find something to put inside all the corners and edges for a good job finish. Alrighty, so now everything is done. All you need is water. Right, can we have a glass of water or a bottle of water or something?
Recording.
Okay, all you need to do, obviously Sorry, we're gonna make a little bit of mess. And you keep the mop bucket with you. All you need to do is just put water. Because you've already done the job, you just need to take the residue off. And it's a good idea to use a window cleaning squeegee and clean it afterwards. And then the other side. Obviously, I'm going to close the shower. Here we go. Everything super clean. Done. Okay. Let's take a good look at it. I even go ahead and take the window cleaning squeegee, then I show you. Right, can we have the squeegee, please? Maybe no need, but that is the idea. That is the best chemical.
This one.
Yes. And one can will long really last. This is like, I bought this one 4 years ago something. I'll put the link down below, and every cleaner, especially when it comes to end of lease cleaning. So yeah, I take my mask off. So every cleaning company must have this chemical for shower screen cleaning, and it will remove the soap scum, all the dirt, grease and everything, but it will not remove stains. Stains mean permanent, but other than that, almost all the shower screen you can use this chemical.